Hello, this is Tammy. Yes. Oh, well, thank you so much for calling and thank you so much for watching my channel. That is wonderful. So you'd like to move to the Spartanburg-Greenville area. Wonderful. All right. Tell me a little bit about what you're looking for in a home, your top 4 requirements. Okay. Perfect. So mountain views preferable. That's going to be in the northern part of our counties, either Spartanburg or Greenville. Is that okay? Wonderful. Okay, and you don't want to be too close to the city. Actually, that'll take care of that. You'll be about 20 to 30 minutes from Spartanburg or Greenville. Okay, what else? You'd like to be on the golf course. Okay, perfect. We have plenty of beautiful golf courses in the area. All right, that sounds great. And you'd like 3 bedrooms and 3 full baths. Okay, fantastic. Okay. All right, and all I need to know is maybe just give me an idea of your budget. Perfect. I think I have just the home for you. Welcome to Living in Greenville, South Carolina. This new construction home is a rare find in the Links O Tryon golf course. According to neighbors, once people move here, they rarely sell because they love the neighborhood so much. With over 2,600 square feet, this new construction home has all of the amenities your heart desires, including this beautiful, immense island with plenty of room for those large family dinners or a quiet breakfast for 2 here at the island. Gorgeous quartz countertops, a tiled backsplash, a gorgeous view of that ninth fairway, ample cabinetry with soft closed drawers, and a trash and recycling drawer, sleek, stainless appliances, including the fridge, and a pot filler above the stove make this spacious kitchen complete. Good or bad. But my second favorite activity on a golf cart is to drive around and show clients properties. I love doing that at golf course communities. And riding on the golf cart, I'm able to take you into areas so you can kind of get a view of the golf course. And you'll understand what a beautiful area this is here at the Links O Tryon in Campobello, South Carolina. It is really fabulous.
One of the great things about Links O Tryon golf course is that they have this fantastic little tunnel you can go through right under the road here, which is Newport Road. We're just going to go right underneath and hop out on the other side, where we'll see this great home. Here we are on the other side of Newport Road, and we're going to just go right across because I want to show you the great golf course that this property happens to be on. We're actually going to take a right here and then come up the back way. This is hole number 9 at the turn. And then this, of course, is 101 Glen Eagles Road.
Thank you so much for watching this video about 101 Glen Eagles Road. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you know someone who might be interested in this home, please forward this video to them now. Thank you again for watching, and we look forward to seeing you living in the Campobello area of South Carolina.